Hey there, guys. It's Morgan coming to you from Highland Cycles with another super duper short tech tip video, basically. I know this is really simple, and most of you guys know exactly what I'm talking about and don't need any help, but there's a ton of folks on here that are brand new to dirt bikes, or they're young and they don't know and they're trying to learn. So today's talk is about lubing your chain. Again, I know that's very simple. First tip, do it more often than you think. Every time you think about your chain, you should lube it. That's the first tip. The second one is use some good stuff. I like this by Motorex, this off-road chain lube. It works really good. It's clean. It doesn't collect a bunch of dirt and it doesn't fly all over the bike. So I like that. And then we're going to talk about how we do it. I know, again, it's super simple, but this helps. So this is another one-shot deal, guys. So sorry for no editing, but I just want to get this done. One of the keys to getting this right is you want to spray lube on the inside of the chain while you rotate the tire, because as it goes in, the sprocket will actually help force the lube into the chain. So you come up here, you're just going to go, and don't go super duper fast because you won't get enough lube on there. So go around, make sure you get the whole thing. And then I like to come in and hit the top also. There we go. Bam, just like that. Super simple. Do it a lot. Your chain will last a long time. This is the DID ERVT, anyway, the fancy pants high-end X-ring chain. These things last me an entire season, if not more, and that's like usually about 150 hours worth of riding. So hope you guys like that. I know it's simple, but share this with your friends who need to learn how to lube their chains. And get out, spread the gospel of two wheels, and please find some time to ride your dirt bikes.